Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, Rosie takes us on a heartfelt journey as she brings to life a special drawing for mom and dad. With each stroke of her brush, Rosie pours her love onto the canvas, capturing the warmth and joy that her parents bring into her life. As the colors dance across the canvas, a masterpiece begins to emerge, reflecting the bond between parent and child. Every line, every curve tells a story of love, laughter, and cherished memories shared. But Rosie's journey doesn't end here. With the same care and attention she gave to her creation, she prepares to share her masterpiece with mom and dad. For Rosie, this is not just a drawing, it's a token of appreciation, a symbol of gratitude for the love and support her parents have always shown her. As she placed the package in a gift bag, excitement bubbles within her. She can't wait to see the looks on their faces when they unwrap her heartfelt gift. And so, armed with love and anticipation, Rosie embarks on the final leg of her artistic adventure, a journey that's sure to touch the heart of all who witness it. Here's and there it is, a testament to the unbreakable bond of family captured in the strokes of a young artist's brush. Join us next time for another enchanting episode of Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where imagination knows no limits. And also join us next time as we follow Rosie on more enchanting artistic adventures where every creation is infused with passion, love, and boundless imagination. So, until then, keep watching, keep creating, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.